Hello everybody, let me introduce myself. My name is Mini Manisarani and my student ID number is 2423008. And in this video, I will summarize the material that we learned before the final exam. The first material is about English language teaching media. Teaching media are tools used by teachers to help deliver lesson and make it easier for students to understand the material. The material also explains the differences between media and research. Media are tools used to share information, while research are broader sources of learning such as people, information, and technology. And then, teaching media have many benefits. They can increase student motivation, make learning more interesting, help expand difficult concepts, and improve the learning process. When choosing media, teachers should consider learning objective, student needs, learning style, and available facilities. And then there are 4 types of teaching media. The first one is visual media, audio visual media, and ICT-based media. And then the second material is about visual media in English language teaching. Visual media are learning tools that help students understand information through things that they can see, such as picture, flashcards, posters, slides, and infographics. Visual media helps students understanding language more easily, improve memory, provide context, and increase motivation. There are several types of visual media. Non-project media include flashcard, real object, poster, and whiteboards. And project media include PowerPoint, presentation, and digital photos. And digital or interactive medias include infographic, memes. In English teaching, visual media can be used for teaching vocabulary, grammar, storytelling, speaking activities, and reading comprehension. For example, teacher can use flashcards to teach vocabulary or silent videos to encourage students to describe action in English. And then the third material is about ICT-based media in English language teaching. ICT-based media are learning tools that use digital technology to support learning and teaching. This media combine text, audio, picture, videos to create interactive learning experience. ICT-based media allows students to interact with learning material, get immediate feedback, and access learning research anytime and anywhere. For example, our Canva and Prezi for presentation, Kahoot quizzes should work for interactive quizzes and games, and then Google Classroom, our model for online learning, and Duolingo or Padlet for language learning activities. And the fourth material is about audio-visual media in English language teaching. Audio-visual media combine sound and visual elements to help students understand information better. By using both the sound and visual, students can understand lessons more easily, remembering information longer, and connect language with the real-life situation. For example, of audio-visual media include videos, movies, documentaries, educational YouTube videos, vlog, interactive presentation. And then this media make learning more interesting and provide useful context. In English teaching, audio-visual media can be used to develop listening, speaking, reading, and writing skill. For example, teacher can use a video to teach a produced text and then ask students to discuss the content, arrange the steps, and create their own text. And the fifth material is about audio media in English language teaching. Audio media are learning tools that use sound to deliver information and support learning. They help students improve listening skill, pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Audio media are important because they expose students to learn real English, improve listening comprehension, increase engagement, and support different learning style. For example, of audio media include podcasts, audiobooks, songs, radio programs, and recorded conversation. Usually, audio media are used in the 3 stages. The first is pre-listening, where the teacher introduces the topic and vocabularies. The second is while listening, where students complete listening activities. And the third, post-listening, where students discuss, summarize, or respond to what they have here. In conclusion, teaching media are important tools that help teachers create effective and interesting learning experience. Visual, audio-visual, and ICT-based media each have their own advantage and support different learning goals. By choosing the right media, teaching can improve student motivation, participation, and understanding in English language teaching. Okay, thank you for watching and see you.